Hello, I guess it's just DDel's today. How we all doing? Welcome back. It is Thursday, the 19th of December of 2024, and we are back for more Advent of Code. And fuck it, it's Thursday. It's Friday somewhere, right? We're drinking some Dragon's Milk Reserve, which is risky because it's 11%. Yeah, what could go wrong? Nothing, surely. It's Friday in Japan? Perfect. Perfect. Well, probably Friday in New Zealand too, and Australia. Middle of the night there. But it counts for something, right? Anyway, cheers, chat. We're gonna be doing some Advent of Code today. Looks like I'm 3 days behind, which is fine. Hopefully we can do those real quick. But yeah, how are y'all doing? And by all, I guess it's just DDel's. How are you doing, DDel's? I'm sure people will show up eventually. Is busy, I guess, something, whatever. All right, CP-R day 0 to day 17. What do we got? Oh, we've got int code, but it's very short, which means it's probably a reverse engineering problem instead. You know, honestly, I was earlier today I was like, okay, this year of Advent of Code is all just throwbacks. And I was like, if there's not an int code problem in the remaining problems, I'm going to be disappointed. But fortunately it looks like there is one. So thank goodness. Okay. Maybe this isn't int code, but anyway, it's the same sort of dealio. Nidell says, demoed new functionality to a customer today. Really got their gears running on new use cases, but it was a lot of fun. Oh, nice. That's cool. Are you in sales now? How you doing, the Endless River? The Endless River. 8 instructions. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Whole bunch of shit. Example program. The program is very short, which makes me a little nervous. That's fine. What do you get if you use commas to join the values into a single string? Okay, this is a different output than Eric usually does, but that's cool. Our little submit script is not going to work. All right, let's parse this, then we'll figure out how the code actually works. So regs and rest equals s.split on backend. Registers is going to be no, we're gonna do a thing. We're gonna get rid of the colons to make it easier to parse. And then we're going to say regs s prog s. Sure, and then we are going to do registers equals empty dictionary for line and regs s.split lines. And then we have underscore name val s equals line.split, and then regs name equals int val s. That's the parse of that part. And then this one, I think it's parse numbers comma. Parse numbers comma prog s.split 1. Yeah, so that should give us our program. Now we need to actually figure out how this thing works. 8 instructions, each identified by a 3-bit number called the opcode. Each instruction also reads the 3-bit number as an input called its operand. A number called the instruction pointer identifies the position in the program from which the next opcode will be read. It starts at 0. Yep. Pointing at the first 3-bit number in the program. Except for jump instructions, the instruction pointer increases by 2 after each instruction is processed. You can pass the opcode and its operand. You tries to read an opcode and then it halts. The program 0, 1, 2, 3 would run the instruction whose opcode is 0. pass it the operand 1, then run the instruction having the opcode 2 and passing operand 3. So these are all 3-bit numbers. So they are 0 to 7. That lines up with what we have here. What am I trying to do? AOC 2024, due day 17. Yeah, okay, so none of them are greater than that, which makes sense. Great. Okay. Cool. So this shouldn't be too bad. While true, let's see, prog equal this, program counter equals 0. I read 3-bit numbers in this problem initially, thought it was ternary numbers rather than 3-bit binary numbers. Oh, that would have been funny. I was worried that they were gonna have us like splat all the bits and like have to chop bits off of other numbers when I read 3-bit, but it seems very simple. Combo operands 0 through 3. What the fuck is combo? 4, the value of A, 5, the value of B, 6, the value of C, 7 is reserved, will not appear, okay? The 8 instructions. Oh, so this is the value part. Okay, so let's just do val s, well, it's not s, I int to int. If I less than or equal to 3, well, if let's write it out. 0 less than or equal to I, less than or equal to 3, return I. Else of 4A, 5B, 6C. We can be cheeky with this. Return. I guess we could say elif I is equal to 7. Raise value error unexpected I. Otherwise we can do regs char ord a plus I minus 4. Cheeky as fuck, but let's do it. Okay, that's not too bad. All right, now we have a bunch of opcodes. Okay, let's out. Wait, what the fuck is combo operand? Oh, I see, yeah. Got it. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So we will say that Great within, hello, how you doing? Op equals prog PC. Operand equals prog PC plus 1. If op is equal to 0, just implement the maths here. Numerator is the value in the A register. The denominator is found by raising 2 to the power of that. Okay. The result is truncated to an integer and then written to A register. Okay. So we would say regs A equals regs A, integer divide, 2 to the what the fuck? Operand. Okay. Code 1. We probably have jumps in here, right? It looks like we don't have any jumps. What was ADV? Why do I not see that ADV? Work exactly like the ADV instruction. Well, where the fuck is the ADV instruction? Hello? Is this just copy pasted wrong? Why does it say ion there? Where did this come from? What? Is there some like Easter egg here? What? What the fuck? Okay, weird. Confused and more confused. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Imagine talking about chopping bits in the year 2024. Shit. Not gonna get canceled. Looks like the ADB, except that the result is stored in B. The numerator is still read from that A. Okay. Those ones are actually really easy to do. Might as well do those right now. Okay, so you're done. And you are done. EXL. Bitwise XOR. And the instruction's literal operand. Oh, so it's not always a combo operand. So this is combo. Okay. So we don't necessarily do combos, do we? Well, that just means that this code's gonna be ugly as fuck, I guess. And I'm gonna forget to do it in some place where I need to. Okay, so this is registers B is equal to something. And the literal operand stores the result in B. Okay. Regs B XOR operand. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so scroll down. These up here because we've already done them. Calculates the value of its combo operand modulo 8. Okay. Regs B equals val operand modulo 8. Chopping the 3 bits. Jins. Oh, well, this is a jump, right? Fuck. We do have jumps. Okay. So. Gotta put all the jumps in here so far. Did I miss any SQL Lite? Fun. I haven't done any yet. But maybe we'll do some today. Does nothing registers A, however it's non-zero, it jumps by setting the instruction pointer to the value of the literal. Okay, literal. Jump non-zero. Does nothing if register A is 0. Okay. If regs A is 0, then PC plus equals 2. Otherwise, PC equals operand. Okay, 4. EXC. This is a funky, weird. Her legacy reason is this instruction reads an operand but ignores it. Amazing. Love that. XOR of B and C and stores them to B. This is a fucked up computer. Okay. Out. Cool. Darvane, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, chat. There was a chance to do SQLite, but chat voted instead for me to optimize, so we did that instead. Value combo outputs the value, multiple values by a comma. All right. We forgot to do this thing. Then we do out.append val operand c plus equals 2 turn comma dot join out. I guess what's the halt? Goes out of bounds? I guess if it goes out of bounds. Okay, while EC less than len prog. Should probably be -1, but I'm kind of curious if that's good enough. We'll try it and see what happens. Syntax error. Oh, and then it did the fucking reformat garbage, didn't it? List int. Oh. Of course, undefined proc. Because it's prog. Did proc here too. All right. Oh, my Smith script's not gonna work. Right. What am I doing? Run the test. Okay, we have the wrong value. It's because I forgot to modulo. Dynamic type says, other than Python, what's your favorite language? I wouldn't even say Python's my favorite language. It just happens to be the garbage that I write the most often. Okay, we got a number. I'm betting part 2 is like run the output until it converges on a single number or something like that. Paul, Chris, Luke, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How you doing? Also, Darvan, maybe I said hi. If not, hello, hello. How you doing? All right, make sure I do shout out instead of raid. We've made that mistake before. But how was your stream? What were you up to? What were you working on? Justin C. Devis here. Hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. We got our first star. All right, what is part 2 then? I don't do this in the browser. It's weird. It's almost like I predicted this. The value in registry seems to have been corrupted. You need to find a new value in which you can initialize registry so the program's output instructions produce an exact copy. Oh my. Okay. Well then, this is an interesting one. Tukaka. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. W say laser, how you doing? I have been rated, it's true. A says Paul, Chris, Luke, welcome, welcome. Ayush says Ubuntu, hello, hello. What's going Python? Not too much, working on Advent of Code. What was I doing? Part 1, part 2. Okay, so we have to somehow come up with a way. Oh, let's get rid of the comment because we somehow need to come up with a way that we can just brute force this. Certainly. But surely there is a better way to do this, right? I mean, the programs are pretty quick, so like it's not too big of a problem. We can also coroutine this. Yeah, I think we can do a coroutine and then we can cut them off sooner. Yeah, let's do it as a coroutine. Let's do it as a coroutine. Alright. Run prog, and then we'll just brute force it. Because surely the number can't be that big, right? 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 It's really not, right? Do you have the time to listen to me? Okay, B and C are always 0, so we don't actually have to care. Cool. Run prog list int, and then Hey, int to generator int. Yes. The example was 117,000. That's not a very big number. That's not a very big number. But this is a pretty big number. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to reverse engineer this fucking program. But you know, we're gonna try the brute force first, because maybe we'll get lucky. I don't know. But yeah, that number's pretty big. But I don't know whether that number matters or not. Okay, so we don't need all of this. We need this. Is my room cold? Shit, I know what that means. Yeah, we're just gonna start the brute force. It's fine. Fine. We'll get the small input working, and then yeah, we'll have a bad time, but it's fine. Sammy Deep, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This gets passed in. Don't have you anymore. Also we need to set registers properly. A, B, 0, C to 0. We don't need you anymore either. We just need the program. And is it count? I can never remember what this thing is called. It is. You're using nano. Am I using nano? Damn, where's my beer going? What is going on? Why is it no longer there? I miss when my beer was full. Is Zip lazy? It should be, right? Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god. It's definitely lazy. I don't even know why I'm trying this. Shit. I just want to convince myself first. I don't need to. But it is. Okay, cool. Run prog a equals I. Zip prog this. So we want strict equals true, and that'll crash. But I don't remember what the error is, so we'll just let it crash once, and then I'll know. Fake else I. Well, return time got int. That's because it is int. Int. And MyPy doesn't know that this is infinite. Value error is what we get. Well, shit. Even the test case seems to be going for too long. That is, concerning. So it means we need to reverse engineer the program. Okay. But we also potentially need to reverse engineer this program, which is weird. Did I drop frames? I did drop a tiny number of frames. Fucking Twitch. Doing? S1Q, Balolo, how you doing? What are your thoughts on Python? It's a Python preprocessor where you use curly brace and spits on Python indented correctly. You think skill issue or cool? I actually really like curly braces, but that seems like a bad call. Seems like a bad call. Ayush says, off topic, but I can't chat on Griffing stream. It sounds like you're banned. Chris bans a lot of people, so it wouldn't surprise me. Yeah, it got past the numbers, so what the fuck? Did I do this wrong? How did I do this wrong? Did I read the problem wrong? A seems to be corrected. Find a value such that it outputs an exact copy. Well, that seems a little strange. Why it no? Why it no output program of expect? What was the number? What the fuck? What do you mean? What do you mean? Those are exactly the same. How did we not hit that then? Oh, because I have the opposite condition here. Duh. I don't need the breakpoint anymore. Okay, so we have brute force working. But there's no way that's gonna complete in time, right? Computer just gonna go brr. Even if I do this. So we're gonna have to reverse engineer the code almost certainly. Ayush, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? You're not banned. If I chat, I'm not visible. I have no idea because Twitch chat is usually pretty universal except for bans. Standard Pointers here. Hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. We're doing some Madman of Code. It's true, it's true. W Say Laser. Thank you as well for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Shadowban ignored. So there is a thing on Twitch where where if your account is in a shadowban state, then but I think it prevents chat on every channel and everyone else can see you here, right? Actually, I'm a mod on Griffing's channel unless you remove me. I can just look. Can I just look and see if you're banned? Unless I'm no longer a mod here, which wouldn't surprise me because I'm still a mod. Okay. Ayush. Action. You were banned. You were banned. You got unbanned yesterday. You got timed out on the 17th twice. You got timed out yesterday. You got banned yesterday, and then your unban request was approved. You've been unbanned. Yeah, so I was right. You were banned, but now you're not. So you should be able to type in Griffing's chat now. Tukawa says suspicious user. Yeah, that's the Twitch feature I was thinking of. Okay, so my computer is burning. So now we need to figure out how to make how to reverse engineer our code. Because clearly this is never going to succeed, but that's fine. Why do leaders not understand that setting an OKR for other teams to do work won't work out? Yes, of course. Setting goals for other teams. What could go wrong? All right. So let's take our program. So we got this. We gotta learn all these goddamn opcodes, don't we? I'm gonna lose my mind. I wish they were written out as text. All right. So BST is. Oh, I hate this so much. B. This is gonna be a struggle. Combo operand modulo 8. 4 is A. Equals regs A equals A mod 8. Mod 8. Okay, so that's this part. God, I hope there's not jumps. Jumps fucking suck. There's gonna be jumps. Mod 8, not binary. Okay. 1 is there's gonna be jumps and it's gonna fuck all this shit up. EXL. B and literal. This is B equals B XOR 1. So flip 1. I'm not gonna comment on that right then. It seems fine, but I think they made the same mistake as they did with Rough, and they didn't talk to any of the packaging people, and now we have 2 incompatible implementations. And it would have been much better if they worked collaboratively instead of just rewriting it in Rust and not talking to anyone. CDV is just like A. So this is C equals A, integer divide, combo operator. 2 to the something. 2 to the 5 is B. Okay, 4, 6. I should just do it like this. This is not int code. I'm disappointed. By the way, I thought it was int code, but it's not. B and C. B equals B XOR C. Okay, we don't have any jumps so far, so we're chilling. 0, 3. This is ADV, so A equals A integer divide 2 to the 3 because it's literal. I'm remembering. Robin, hello, hello. Walrus operator. Oh no, you're back. How you doing? I see Ayush has pasted the title of one of my YouTube shorts. Robin says this is my least favorite puzzle so far, cause the reverse engineering. Here, together for it. I'm 4 hours deep into PyTest, Boto 3, unit test, mock Moto. Oh god, Moto. Oh no. Oh no, not Moto. That library is fucking garbage. I'm so sorry. Damn, I'm out of beer, and I'm still on the first day. We're gonna have some trouble here. Tip tools over UV. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you what to use or what not to use. I don't even feel like pip tools is that necessary, but fine. It's fine. Okay. Dude, reverse engineering this is gonna be shit. I'm hoping PyPy magically gets the answer somehow by the time I figure this out, but there's no way. It's gonna be some bajillionly large number. BXL. Bitwise XOR of B and literal. Wait, we already had one of these, didn't we? Yeah, we had this one here. B equals B XOR 1, or XOR 4 in this case. 5, 5. This is just output, right? Output something, whatever register 5 is. 5 is B. Out B, and then 3 is going to be the jump, right? Fuck me. Alright. I can see you're getting more intoxicated. It's not going to get easier. No, but it's going to get more fun. Okay, so this is 0. Oh, this makes it easier. This makes it easier to reason about. Should we reverse engineer the sample problem too? This is if A equals 0, go to restart, I guess. I guess we can even say like while A does not equal 0, do all this shit. So we get a nibble from A. Not even a nibble because it's 3 bits. Chomp 3 bits from A. Flip the bottom bit. XOR 1. What is XOR 1 doing here? Doesn't that not just flip? It just flips the bottom bit. What the fuck? How is that useful? This flips the 3rd bit here. But we also flip the what the hell? 2 to 3 is 8. Okay, so this is a bit shift. This is easy to understand. This is easy to understand. Your answer is 105 trillion. I doubt you'd get there even with PyPy. Yeah, trillion's a big number. The XORs start dancing, says Robin. Yes. Oh no, am I dropping more frames? No, my dashboard's just shitty. Complete tangent, but I'm about to upgrade my 8-year-old 21:9 ultra wide. I'm wondering if anyone has strong opinions on doing either second 21:9, doing a single 32:9 super ultra wide. I actually don't like ultra wides. Last question says, makes me want a beer too. I haven't had one in a while now. I took tomorrow off already. Hey, that more reason to grab a beer then, right? So I'm already thinking like, how do I use Z3 to solve this for me? Dynamic types, hello, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. We are just nibbling off parts of A, so this actually isn't too bad to do. This literally is just a series of equations based on the nibbles of A. So we can just figure that out. Yeah, like I think I can represent this with Z3 and then just not care. You could slowly regurgitate A, basically, yeah. Reverse nibble? Yeah. Yeah, that's the idea. That's the idea. I not even care about the math here. I'm kind of curious what the example problem is, just because I feel like this is also similar in idea. 0, 3. So this is, I mean, I know I don't need to reverse engineer this one because we brute forced it, but it might be nice to have something that works for both of them. For no reason other than, I don't know, completeness. Out 5, 4. 4 should be out A. Oh. This one is super simple. Yeah, so the input problem is literally just represent the program in base 8. So we could actually just do this shit in reverse. Well, this is annoying though. Sultan MD, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This has the whole value of A, which is problematic. Which is problematic. But it's not terrible, I guess. Our test case actually isn't that useful though, so I'm just gonna get rid of the test. And instead, what? Instead, what? Yeah, we're using fucking Z3. I don't care. Z3 solver? Yeah. We're just gonna Z3 this part. Because it sounds fun. Yeah. Denibbilization? Yeah, basically. FAQ Z3. Oh, I'm surprised. Oh no, it should be explains Z3. Yeah, there we go. Actual magic. Okay, so just watching a talk about sat solvers. Yeah, sat solvers are amazing. They're so good. Okay, so we need to remember how to use Z3 because it's been a while. Do we have? I'm pretty sure I used it in 2020. Yeah. A13. We need to make a solver, probably. Solver. Yeah. So the question is, do we solve each part individually? Or I feel like we have to solve them all together, don't we? We really have a system of equations. We have each nibble, each lower nibble, the first lower nibble. Ah, the tricky part is like we have the whole number here. And we don't super know. Is this always 0? Is this always 0? B equals A mod 8. Flip the bottom bit. No, because this number can be this is just shrinking down A. And then bitwise. This is annoying. This instruction is what makes this difficult. Yeah. For n in Prague. Yeah, so we know that we have to have a value. And we have to represent this for each nibble. So we know that for the first one, it is the complete value of A eight. Dot add. Oliver dot add. B is equal to N. Wait, is it that easy? So this instruction needs to be current A. Actually, we don't even need to do this. We can just say this is A and say A equals A. A little confusing, I guess. We can even just do this. Unsupported operands for arithmetic reference and int. Fuck. It was XOR C3. Oh no, is there not going to be bitwise XOR? On bit vector expressions. How can we use XOR on integers, right? Use bitvec instead. Okay. I guess we'll use bitvec instead. I think we have to have a 64-bit bitvec. No. D3-bit vec power. Oh no. Shit. Why can I not use power on them? Oh. I mean, we can represent this as a right shift. Maybe that'll work. We can represent this as a right shift. Okay, we can represent this as a right shift. Unset! No! No! Ah! But why? This looks pretty though. Did I copy the code wrong? B equals A mod 8. B bitwise. Unsat just sit Z3, yeah. Yeah, it's true. Hey, what's up, Robabato? Hello, how you doing? Don't recommend me actually good VS Code plugins. I have no idea, Luminary Shade. I don't use VS Code. Fuck. 2 to the B. So if B is 1, it'll be 2. And so it will right shift by 2. Damn, yeah, no, that seems right. Unless my code is wrong. I want to reverse engineer again. 2, 4. So 2. Gonna double check my reverse engineering. 2 is BST. Combo mod 8 writes that to B. So B equals A mod 8. Yep. 1, 1. BXL XOR of this in the literal. So B XOR B, store B. Yep. 7, 5. C equals A integer divide. Oh, why is this B? B? Oh, the operand 5 is B. Yeah, that seems right too. 4. BXC. B XOR C, ignore the operand. Yep, that's right too. 0, 3. A equals A over 8, which is a right shift. Yep. Then 1 and 4. Why is OR with the literal? What the fuck? Come on, Z3. Why is this unsat? Why is this unsat? Oh, because I have the reverse nibbles? No? Fuck me. Well, what the hell? What the hell? I feel like this. Why is my solver? Why have I been forsaken by the solver? Theo Shehan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. B equals A mod 8. B equals B XR1. C equals A. Right shift by B. B XR C. A equals A right shift 3. B XR 4. E equals N. What the hell? Well, that's kind of annoying. I feel like this should work. Hi, Theo. Hello, hello. Damn. What the hell? We can get rid of the test. Not gonna be helpful. Oh, I wanted a shortcut with Z3, and I don't know why it doesn't work. Maybe we change it to int and then figure out what we can rewrite the int failing things in. Maybe it just has bug with bit vectors. It's the cope I'm telling myself. Okay, so bitwise 1. How do I implement bitwise in this? I've done this before. I did this for. Well, what was the first area Z3? I did it for absolute value. Oh, but these are the non-archived ones. Alright, you're gonna look at my face for a sec. Hello, me! I just need to look at some credentials to clone the particular repos that I want. Not equal to... Negative look ahead for that? Yeah. Include archive things? Oh, this is gonna work. But you're gonna continue to look at my face until it works. So, hang on a sec. Oh, it worked, but my SSH key got denied? What? Why did it request my... Okay, it worked this time. Okay. And come back to... My hair looks funky. VM, bin, all repos, grep. I think I called it Z3 abs. No. Z abs. There we go. Okay, so we can implement this to z3.if. Turn if z3 obj, call it expression, like we did here. So what is a what is XOR 1? If x per mod 2 is equal to 1, then it is x per minus 1. Otherwise, it is x per plus 1. Yeah. Shit, we have to do a full XOR here. I don't think that's gonna work. I don't think we're gonna be able to do that. Shit. How do we represent this? What does this do? What does this do? Right shift A by the value of B. This is the worst part of this. We have like some small value. We flip 1 bit. Have you written the 99 bottles program before? I know it's not very complex. Probably? Probably a very, very long time ago. Hey, what is this doing? So nibble of A, and then we right shift by A. But 2 to the 8 is not very big. Oh. No, right shifting by 8 is not very big. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I forgot mod 8 here. I'm dumb. This changes everything. Is it model? Yo. Okay. We get there. We get there. I don't remember how to convert to an integer from Z3 because I feel like it returns a not integer value. And you know what? We can actually generalize this to the actual program. Is Z3 in Python overloading all these methods so you can write normal math operations? Yeah, Z3 is fucking magic. Z3 is fucking magic. So actually we can generalize. We can write the test case in here even. We can implement all this stuff. Kind of hard to write though. So I'm just gonna not. Yeah. Right. They don't do it like this. Integer expected. What the fuck? Oh right. What? How am I doing this wrong? Oh, I want solver.model. Oh, but we got the original A. Yeah. This is some Z3 thing, right? Dot what are you? Wat dot as long? Get the right type here? Yeah. Bop. That's a big old number. Oh no, it's too high. We have to use the other thing. We have to minimize A is the problem, I think. Oh, you know what we need to do? We need to add one other. Justin L, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I think I just picked any value, so I think we also have to add solver.add a equals 0. Get that down. We got a much smaller number. Let's try that now. I have to wait for how long? 1 second. Okay. Still too high. Shit. I've gotta. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Is this the right order of magnitude though? 1,000, million, billion, trillion. Well, that is annoying. I guess I should check the values first. Yeah, that's a very different number. What the fuck? Oh, right. I ran it with the wrong value. What the fuck? It produces the right value! Eric, why? Oh, shit. What the hell? It works! This is the lowest possible initial value. Alright. Oh, shit. Yeah, because, this could be any other. The last nibble can be slightly different here. There is a thing for this. But it's not called solver, it's called something else. Optimizer? Optimize. How do I make it pick the smallest value? C3 Monka S Big Boy Tools. How you doing, Moomy? Hello, hello. How do I make it pick the smallest value? Usually you tell it to do something, but I didn't do it there. Let's open up all of them, and surely I did it correctly one of the places. Ah, yeah, here we go. Ooh, instead of solver, we use optimize, and then we say O dot minimize original A, and then we run it. Except it's not O. Okay, it takes a little bit longer. And we got a slightly smaller number. By 3. Okay. Been long enough that it lets me know. Hooray! We fucking cheesed it! Let's go! God, I love Z3. Took me a little bit, but God, I love Z3. Bad Cop says, "What the fuck? Did you make your own editor?" Yeah, I did. Wait, have you? Bad Cop, how have you never seen this? Also, Bad Cop streams, so you should all go follow Bad Cop. Bad Cop does these problems in Bash. I've done a few in Bash a while ago. I think PowerShell is way worse. But yeah, I wrote my own text editor. Is it a good idea to write your own text editor? Absolutely not. Did I do it for because I wanted to? Yes. Did I have regrets like 1 month in? Absolutely. Did I push onwards? Yes. Did I get it functional? Yes. All of those, yes. Which ones do we do in Bash? Let me see when I had way more time and was unemployed. Probably 2020, right? Oh, not the right. So. Did we want in Bash in this case? No. Was it 2019 that I memed hard? It had to have been an SF year, right? Oh, here we go. When did I do in Bash? Oh, day 3. It's not gonna be that good. It's not gonna be that good. This one surely wasn't that difficult, right? Oh, this is a graph problem. Okay, this one was a little bit trickier then. Anyway, here's my shitty Bash. I tried to do it pure Bash without any core utils, because I felt like core utils was cheating, and shelling out to Perl was cheating. But this is pure Bash. I don't like double square bracket, so I core utils are not cheating. Perl is cheating. I didn't use any core utils though. I feel like core utils is cheating. The PowerShell ones are way worse though. Which one did I do in PowerShell? PowerShell is a fucked up language. PowerShell is a super fucked up language. Because variables are not variables unless they become variables, then they're not really variables, but they're still kind of variables. And this comment is incredibly important, as well as this at. And I don't remember why. I don't remember why at all. Want to see my day 12? Hell yeah. Let's see it. PowerShell is a garbage language, 100%. 100,000% PowerShell is a garbage language. All right, let's look at your day 12. Okay, let me just refresh my memory on what day 12 is after I commit this. Yeah. Can't do that shit in Vim, can you? Let me just refresh my memory what day 12 is. Day 12 input. Oh, the flood fill. Holy shit. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, make a grid. We got regions. Okay, we're gonna get an array of regions. That makes sense. This is populating the grid with all the characters. That makes sense. Did anything. This actually looks very similar to the Python that I wrote. Did anything equals yes. True. Okay, I love that. I love that a lot. Oh, you just computed the edges right here. Wow. Okay, that's good. Bad Cop has received a gifted sub from Strongly Typed. Thank you, Strongly Typed. We don't have booleans, okay? It's true. Yeah, you can be real creative with your booleans because you just have strings. It's strings all the way down. It's PHP 3, but Bash. Okay, I like this. I like this. I like this. The queue is basically like each item you're computing and have to do more. Yeah, that makes sense. Dedupe. Oh. You've implemented sets, but in Bash. Nice. Nice. Wait, why -5? Wait, why -5? It's just initialized to some integer value that doesn't matter? Or am I... No, because this is important here. Could have been anything. It just need to be a small number. Ah, okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Got it. Swap. Nice. I do appreciate you using local in bash. Because every time I write bash, I want to die. And every time I read other people's bash, they never use local in their functions, and it makes me want to strangle them. So I'm appreciative of you using local. Oh, here's the core utils. Okay. Here's the core utils. Well, actually not all core utils, because some of it's your functions in the middle. I guess you can pipe to a function. That makes sense. I never really thought about how that would work, though. I guess because functions are just subshells. Yeah. Yeah. Using sort is definitely cheating. Well, especially in this way, where you're plucking out fields, but I mean, it's still clever and I still like it, so good job, Bangkok. I approve. All right, you want to see my most fucked up solutions? 2019 was int code. I don't know if you remember int code. Where's my... Oh, this is a fun one. We'll show you that one too. Where's my SQLite int code interpreter? Day 9. Yeah, because day 9 was the full implementation. Emerges chords that are one square away into one edge. Ah, nice. So this is before I learned a newer way to do this. I actually don't need to embed the puzzle input into here. I found a way to do file IO, so I don't need to do this anymore. But this is 2019 before I got better at SQLite. But I make a recursive table, and then how did I actually do... Yeah, I did the parsing in SQLite too. So note that I'm not just like cheating here. I'm not just inserting these directly into the table. I'm making a single table with one string in it, and then I wrote a parser. So this is the parsing part, where it splits each string and then folds it into a table of each of the numbers, and then I have a program. We have output. Oh, this is where it actually parses the opcodes. We have a program counter table. This is like a relative number that was additional, a separate register. And then the heavy lifting here, recursive triggers equals on. And this is the actual implementation of the int code opcode. And honestly, this was not the best way to do this because recursive triggers have a limit. Like SQLite gets real mad the deeper and deeper you get with a recursive trigger. And in fact, if I remember correctly, in part 2, I ran into that, so I put a bound on the recursive trigger. Yeah, I can definitely see from this. Yeah, I put a bound on... My computer spin up for that. I put a bound on the recursive trigger. Yeah, exponential slowdown on recursive triggers, so we triggered a bunch of times with a limited depth. So this is... Please do the computation, SQLite. Thank you. Okay, that's why my computer spun up, because it was mad about a 1700 line file. Backup says, I need your opinion, actually. You did 2023 right. Wait, what do you mean? In 2023, where I just did Python and was like, eh. Although I use Z3 here, so. I swore I did. Didn't I do some SQLite here? Drugs. What do you need my opinion on? Unix is all about piping programs into programs. It's true. It's true. He's done all the problems except the last 2 days so far. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Just make a round tripping tokenizer for Python. It's just as fast as C tokenizer. Nice. I need your opinion on if this is cheating for 2023. Day 10. Okay. Let me see what. Where was my day 10? Just had it open. Well, we're just gonna reopen it. Day 10. What was day 10? Input. Understand it. Oh, this is the pipes problem. I know it's been a year since I've looked at this, but this is the pipes problem. Yeah. Okay, now I need to figure out whether Mad Cop is cheating here. Okay. Okay, I like all those functions, and I'm pretty sure mine is not much different than that. So this is part 1. Here, part 2. Let me look at my part 2. I seem to remember I did something equally stupid here. Yeah. Yeah. I did something equally stupid, which is a specific mapping for each type of direction that's going. And so I feel like yours is not different than that. Yeah, like check left, check right. That's literally what I did. So yeah, no, you're not cheating. This is fine. This is completely valid. Oh, uh, hmm, uh, oh, this is just so you have. Okay, I see. Things are about to get real dank. Okay. You know what's funny is I remember when this problem came out, a lot of people actually used image magic to solve their problems even if they weren't solving in Bash. Um hmm This does feel I mean, it doesn't fucking matter, right? It's however you solve the problem. How did I do this? I just called a function called flood fill. Oh, I remember. I flood filled everything outside and then subtracted the two, I think. Filled. Just I flood filled every position outside of the dots. Yeah. It makes an absolutely Titanic sized image like 50 megabytes. Nice. I like it. You know, it's definitely cheating, but I approve. That's good. I like it. All right. Anyway, let me see. Actually, I just did this, so we can actually find all repos, find files, .sql. We can see my more recent SQL solves. Need to open those all in the editor. 2022, I did a bunch of SQL. 2022, day 12. See what that one was. Just because I want to see what my more modern approach is, because I know that I improved since 2019. But I think this year I ran into some wall that I was like, I don't think I can solve this. Actually completing in a reasonable amount of time. Oh boy. Yeah, so here's the read file, which I didn't know about in 2019. So this allows me to actually read the input the same way I would in any other programming language. Is this the one where I used the like JSON? Yeah. This is where I learned you basically can represent all of your program state as a JSON array, and then you generate JSON arrays repeatedly until you get your computation done. And so I can basically generalize this into any loop problem. It does get a little jank. Like this is how I represent my 3 variables in this case. But yeah. Oh, I was gonna compare this to 2023, but I didn't have this. Do I know Liquid Cake 1? Are they the person that did it in Postgres? Because I feel like Postgres is cheating. Because Postgres you can just write functions. But I don't know them specifically, so I don't know whether I can say yes or no. Different language every day. That's what I did in 2019. But then 2019 was int code, so I had to implement int code in like 20 different languages, which was not fun. I will be right back. I need to fill up my water. I will see you in a sec, and then we'll do the next day. So, be right back. We're back. I lied, chat. I'm also getting a beer. Oh, there we go. We are drinking Samuel Smith's organic chocolate stout. I don't know why it's organic. Nobody needs that shit. That means it has carbon in it, right? Yeah. JQ is surprisingly good. Oh god. Luda Cake did day 6 in JQ. Oh my goodness. I have a coworker that could probably do that. He fucking loves JQ. I frequently have to be like, Buck, please write this in a real programming language. Someone else is gonna need to maintain this someday, and they are not a JQ wizard like you are. Although I've contributed to JQ. Wait, did my PR ever get merged? I forget. JQ GitHub. Save it here and reality filter. Thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. How do I find my contribution here? I don't ever remember whether it got merged or not. Oh, look at that! I've contributed to JQ. Let's go, baby. Okay, this beer is only 5%, so I'm chilling. We'll be fine. What is beer but water with some other things in it? True. Coveralls, man, that's a fucking throwback. But JQ handled -0 incorrectly. It was supposed to be a short option for null output, spelled strangely, but didn't work. And this was the one-line fix for it. Yeah. JQ, yo. How you doing, Fizzbuzz? Also strongly typed, didn't say hi to you, but how you doing? Welcome, welcome. Found a bug in Memray. Oh, nice. Nice. Look at this guy doing open source. How come you never contribute to my software? Listen, most of my open source is a mistake. But if you want, I could send you a patch. If that helps. Okay, anyway. Done with day 17, on to day 18. Day CP-R, day 0, day 18. Ooh, coordinate pairs. Future F strings. This is a huge mistake. This is probably the most mistakey of anything. Oh my god, I can't even type. The most mistake library I've ever written. Yeah. Write F strings code, run it in Python 2, and it just works. Which is terrifying. The worst part that's terrifying of this is to look at how, oh, they restyled this. Is to look at how load-bearing this giant fucking hack is. It got 200,000 downloads in a day just a month ago. Which is fucking nuts. Can you add Jython support? Thank you. It might actually work in Jython, which is the terrible part. Ooh. Finally stopped using the VS Code Get GUI in favor of Pregame. Ah, nice. But yeah, I don't know why, other than there's probably some fucking garbage that depends on this. But this thing that I made as a joke is load bearing. IPI stats, this one. This is like my third most popular thing that I've made, which is terrifying. It got 1 million downloads last month. What the fuck? Why? Like, this is the thing that I actually care about and like is my baby that I spend lots and lots of time on. And I think it's only like, yeah, 40x that. Here's another one that I've spent an absurd amount of time on, and probably lower than that. Yeah. Insane. Future F strings is more popular than PyUpgrade. Broken. The world is fucked up. Someone has something they have messed up somewhere. Anyway, day 18. Let's do it. Jython is still on 2.7. No, they have Jython 3 now. I think. I want to say that it happened already. Although this has a question mark here, so I thought they did a Jython 3. Maybe it didn't happen. Maybe I'm misremembering it. My shitpost repos have more stars than any of my real projects. Oh, ain't that the fucking truth? Strongly type says I met the guy who made end of life.date. Oh, nice. Make Jython 3? No. No one should use Jython. Okay. Sample input. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, chat. I am a little bit inebriated, so 22. So this is gonna be more fun because we're inebriated. Alright, so what the fuck is this? Memory space is a two-dimensional grid with coordinates. Okay. Suppose you're on a smaller grid with coordinates from 0 to 6, and you get the following byte position. Okay, so 0 to 70. Int 70. What size? So this is with size equals 7. Okay. Each byte XY, yeah. We're in the top left corner of the memory space. Need to reach the exit at the bottom right corner. Oh. I already know that I'm not gonna like this. Boheimer says, can't wait for Beamthon? I don't want to know what that is. Bytes fall, they may get corrupted. Okay. Okay, so we just draw them. I already know what part 2 is gonna be. Part 2 is gonna be like, they fall at particular times and you need to time them, and it's gonna be CRT and bleh. Simulate the first kilobyte. Oh, we have a lot. Okay, actually maybe this isn't that bad. Maybe part 2 is not that bad. Minimum number of steps to reach the exit. Okay, so we start at 0, 0. So this is literally just a pathing problem. I don't think this one's hard. I thought it was harder, but I don't think this one's hard. Or I don't think it isn't difficult. Okay, so S dot split lines. Y worlds. You know, we haven't implemented a breadth first search in a while, have we? I usually just do it as Dijkstra's, which is just easier. Yeah, do we do it as... We're gonna implement breadth first to be fun this time. I'm gonna get burned in part 2 where it's like, oh, moving up is worse than moving... 0, 0. We need to figure out the total path size. So we never want to backtrack. So actually we would just want a path. This needs to be a deck. Just realize the irony of strongly typed watching Bash and Python streams. It's all good. It's all good. You can write strongly typed Python. Python is strongly typed. Yeah. For candidate in supports dots adjacent for path -1. If can't not in world, then do dot append path can't. If path oh. What are we trying to get to? The bottom right? I think we're trying to get to the bottom right. Size -1, size -1. I think that's right. Unreachable. It cannot be Rachel. Append has no. What? Incompatible type. Tuple int. Oh, because it doesn't know. No. It doesn't know. Tuple int dot. Oh, fuck me. Oh, it actually sort of re-indented this properly. Dude. Fucking AutoPip 8. Busting my balls. Oh, did it fuck up the rest of my file too? Oh my god. Oh my god. Bad autoformatter is bad. JavaScript is also strongly typed because you need to be very strong mentally to write it all day, says Robin. JavaScript is not stringly typed, but there are languages like Tickle and Bash that are actually stringly typed, yes. And PHP 3. Because I think modern PHP actually is strongly typed. Cursed things that have left my mouth. Oh, I forgot to prune. The fuck? Oh, we need to clamp the bounds. This is why I would have rather just written it as Dijkstra's, because I feel like that would have been easier to do. I think my problem here is I let it go off the board, and so whatever depth it was going to do, it was just going to balloon out into... Well, that's fucked. Why does that not look like what we had here? Because apparently I was supposed to set bytes equals a 12? Right, because I didn't do. Oh, I shouldn't call it bytes. Lines. No. N? Sure. N. That looks more correct. 27. Fuck. Tickle is crazy? How else are you supposed to pronounce TCL? 27? What the hell? Oh. 23? Oh, because the initial doesn't count. Right? Number of steps, not length of path. Hooray. God. The problem with breath first. Yummy, yummy. Eat all of the RAM. I feel like I've done something wrong. I feel like I've done something very wrong. Why is the RAM getting so big? There shouldn't be that many possible paths with backtracking. It should just be a float fill. What have I done wrong? I've done something terribly wrong. What have I done wrong? Oh no. As long as it doesn't get to like 80% of RAM, we should be fine. You're wrong here. Yeah, I should have just implemented his dextrose. And a deck. We pop the item. So 70 by 70 isn't that big. There's not that many spots. How could it possibly get so chunky? Hold up. We're gonna put a little breakpoint here. Let's first look what our map looks like. Okay. So why is this taking forever to get to the result? Do I just suck at implementing breadth first search? I mean, I can kind of see why it would balloon out here, but wait. Oh, 0, 0's here. Is it TCL? No, I'm gonna call it Tickle. Tickle's way funnier. Why am I having trouble with this? This should be fucking trivial. I don't want to write a pathing algorithm. I don't think I need one. I guess the problem is when it gets here, like it balloons out to a bajillion different paths. I probably need to prune. I probably need to prune based on position and time it got to a place. Wouldn't have had to do if I would have just fucking done Dijkstra's. Yeah. I don't think I need min here. That should prune. In theory. Maybe not. I feel like I've done something terribly wrong. We prevented the past from backtracking on themselves. We prevented them from going out of bounds. Why are we consuming a gig of RAM? I've done something drunkenly stupid, almost certainly. I could switch to depth first with pruning. Since that is a lot easier to write and think about, and I feel like I've done something horribly wrong. Yeah, we're gonna do that instead. It's a teeny tiny map. I know, right? I've done something stupid. Yeah, we're just gonna make it a list instead. Data Robot, thank you for the sub at tier 1 at 6 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Appreciate your subscription and appreciate your continued support. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, fuck it, we're just gonna do death first. I know I can get that right. Do list tuple int dot. So so we're past that. It should just be len path. I don't think I need to do any math here. The path doesn't even need to be a tuple. It can be a set, which would make this look up faster. I don't think it matters though. Maybe it does. Maybe it does. Maybe it does. Oh, but we need to know the position. This needs to be tuple, int, and the frozen set. Fine. 1, 2, 3. I need to make a brace matching plugin for 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is going to be a tuple with this and frozen set 0, 0. Cool. Frenzy suck. Pause scene. If len scene is bigger than winning. So this will be pause scene. Pause scene. Pause scene. Pause. This will be candidate and scene or candidate. This is breadth first with pruning. And I forgot we need to do -1. Robot equals pointer, yeah. Eric says, are we winning, chat? No. I'm struggling to write very basic code for some fucking reason. Even with teeny tiny map and code taking too long. I feel like I'm doing something extremely basic wrong. Yeah. I'm betting off by 1? Yeah, probably. I'm Z3ing? No, I'm not Z3ing. I'm not Z3ing at all. I don't know how the fuck I would Z3 this. I'm literally just... I'm doing... Stupid. Do we even get a depth first solution that works? No. That's crazy. I feel like this number is wrong. Oh, it's inclusive. Yeah, it's definitely off by 1. Why did the test case work correctly then? What? The fuck? Oh, this needs to be adjusted. $19? What are the keys in the bottom right map too? It looks like you're using the arrow keys. Yeah, I'm using the arrow keys. They're the arrow keys. They're literally arrow keys. Ow. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7 by 7. So that is it was fine. I gotta undo whatever I just fucking did. I am. Can't let it go out of bounds. the fuck? No, looks like the path that they took. This is very annoying. So why is it not working? 6 to 7 by 7, but 70 to 7 by 1. Oh, did it say 6? Why did I write 7? Why did I write 7? I don't know why I wrote 7. Found one solution, now it's just pruning the rest of the graph. I probably could have gotten away with breadth first search at this. Or it's not going to find a better solution than that, and I don't know why it hasn't pruned the rest yet. But hey, memory's not ballooning, and it found one solution. I could switch it back to breadth first, and then we would have had an answer by now, probably. Guess I should switch it back to breadth first. This is gonna take forever. Oh, we're gonna switch it back to breadth first. Thank you, Moomy. Yeah, that was definitely the problem. This anymore. Going on the right windows is just top. Whoa. What the fuck was that? What was that? What happened? Bread first search? Gotta carbo load your search? True. Holy fuck, memory going burr here. That's filling up memory way faster than before. Bro, what the fuck? What's going on? I don't the search space isn't that big. I don't understand. I'm blaming this on the alcohol. I feel like this isn't a hard problem. I feel like I'm just doing something stupid. Jesus Christ. It should not need this many paths. It's not pruning them at all. Alright, we're cutting it off. The hell? I'm very confused. There's a few gigs? It shouldn't need that much. It's not that big of a fucking graph. I'm surely doing something dumb. I mean, that'll prune some, but probably not enough. I could probably do my best of check before I append. That would make that smaller. Are you adding to scene? Yeah. That happens here. I should have just done it with Dijkstra's. Oops. This should... Oh. Isn't really that much difference there. I guess it was keeping around all equal paths. I should have just done it with Dijkstra's in the beginning. I would have been fine there. Okay. What are the coordinates of the first byte that prevents the exit? That's annoying. It's actually not tough to do though. So we know it's greater than n, at least. First solution to get with breadth first search will be the minimum. Yes, exactly, high fade. However, my pruning mechanism was not correct. We probably just brute force this. SSB stirred. I gotta pass along all the other shit too. That expects one type argument. Right. This... Computer go burr. Nathan says, howdy, I wonder how people find the puzzles this year so far as I have not started yet. I feel like they've been fine so far. Yeah, I feel like they've been fine so far. Yeah, that makes sense because my Smith script accepts integers only. Hooray! We did day. Ooh. We did day 18. Now I gotta do day 19. Man, that was fucking stupid mistakes there. Better blame it on the alcohol. I'm sorry, this input's just really funny. It looks like Eric just slammed his keyboard and was like, yep, that's the input. Okay, here's our sample. And 6. Now to read the problem. Easy light, hello, how you doing? Apparently the input for this one is in Welsh. Okay, alright. What is going on here? Absolutely nothing goes wrong. Yeah, story of my fucking life. Arranging towels. Okay, stripes, yeah. Can't reverse a towel by flipping a towel upside down, as that would cause the onsen logo to face the wrong way. Right. List designs with striped colors. Display this one. You would use two rug and then one an rug towel and then a grr, or even a single rug. Okay. Unlimited towels with a red stripe and unlimited towels with a white stripe and then a red stripe and so on. These are the ones that are available. Okay. Okay, so we're trying to figure out which ones are possible. Okay. Wanted to go to bed but saw you're online. It's already 2 in the morning. Ayo. Such is life, right? Patterns. Targets. Back in, back in. Possible equals set patterns s dot splits. A space. And I think we're gonna be doing a little bit of dynamic programming here. Arrays dot split line. Total plus equals possible line. From total. Fuck it, unlimited. This doesn't even need to be a set. This code seems right, but I'm trying to think if this actually reduces the problem space. I think it does. I think it does. Oh, fuck me, stupid ass formatter. That seems too simple though. 0. Love that. Oh. Got the base case. Yeah. Sick. Yeah, that part 1 was easy. What the fuck is part 2 gonna be? Do 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 do. do, do, do. So it's counts. Sums of counts. Okay, that's actually not bad given what we have written so far. So what is the result? 16? This now becomes int. So we would say ret equals 0. Missing the base case. Yeah, Moomy, I forgot the base case. Empty string, I believe, is 1. How do we make this multiply, though? What if it's 0? Oh, it should be multiplication? Oh, ret plus equals. That seems too simple. It seems too simple and yet is correct. This was way easier than the previous days. GG, too easy. Yeah. Yeah. LRU Cash Go Burr. Cool. Well, I believe that means we're caught up again. And 2.5 hour stream's not bad. Sick. That was cool. That was fun. Too easy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. AOC 10 years. Nice. Art's pretty good, Eric. I approve. Cool. Well then. We've won. Well, we've won up until day 19. Yeah. But I think that's gonna wrap us up here. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Oh, thank you, D-Dallas, but I was not about to be able to type YouTube properly. If you missed any part of the stream, those end up on the second channel, anthonywritescode-vods, where I have decided fuck thumbnails. You just get whatever YouTube decides. And apparently more people click on them when there's no thumbnails, so what are you gonna do? Well, drugs. Yeah, and if you want to hang out or know when streams get started, those get announced on the Discord, so join the Discord, come hang out. I do think Twitch fixed the categories after last time I complained about it. Join the Discord, it's true! Come hang out in the Discord. I mean, Bad Cop was how I learned to stop worrying and love the JBM. Oh no. Wait, what are you? Not a date fishing bot, I love that. We did raid Bad Cop just recently. But yeah. I don't know. Let's find someone. Well, we raided Bad Cop recently, so we'll raid someone else. Where the fuck are the tags? Okay, and thank God they fixed this. Flutter plus Golang and the Python tag. That's a choice? Why are these not in English? Fuck. None of these are Python. Oh no, they did ruin this. Never mind, we're not raiding. Fuck this noise. Actually, you know what? We'll just raid Bad Cop. We'll just raid Bad Cop because fuck this noise. Yeah, easy choice. All right, go say hi, be nice, etc. Bad Cop was here earlier. But yeah, anyway, have a good one. I'll see you around, chat. Peace. Fuck it, we raid bad cop, exactly.